Hi, I'm Justin, Senior Director of Product here at Macrometa, and today I'm going to show you our Watch Party demo application. We built this demo using Macrometa and Akamai edge workers. Edge workers are functions and microservices that can be deployed to Akamai's network of over 4,000 locations. With our recent partnership, we've built an integration with edge workers that allows you to deploy database queries and complex event processing applications to Akamai's network in the click of a button. Over the next couple minutes, I'm going to walk you through the app. I'm going to show you how it works, and I'm going to start a watch party and invite a couple people to join me. After we do that, I'm going to go ahead and log into our console and show you the code that makes this app run. The app has a couple different things going on that I'd like to show you. You can, of course, play a video. And we have videos by top rated, different types, action, originals, all sorts of things. But something that's really cool about this app is that we use faceted search to be able to see, relationships between different videos, like what's the cast, who's the crew, who's the cast. Let's see. What videos do we have here with Dwayne Johnson? Okay. Well, look, it looks like Dwayne Johnson's been in movies with Ryan Reynolds before. Let's see. Okay, so we have Dwayne Johnson or Ryan Reynolds. Well, maybe I want to see a movie that's Dwayne Johnson and Ryan Reynolds. All right, there's two videos here. So what you're getting is very contextual search that allows you to dig into interests to find specific movies. And this is really, really fast. We're using a combination of a graph edge and collections to find this information. And when I walk through the back end, I'll show you more about how it works. All right, so here we are. Let's start the watch party. I'm going to copy this URL. You can share the watch party just through this unique URL here. And this button copies it for you. I'm going to go ahead and invite some friends now. All right, shared it. Let's see if anyone shows up. Got some people. I'm going to set my username. Hey, everyone. I'm watching. I'm going to go ahead and restart it so everyone can see it from the beginning. Cool. Well, it looks like I've got some friends in India and Croatia on the East Coast. One of my friends that's local here, he's in the West Coast with me, and we restarted it now. Chayton did a great job. Let's see, my favorite. About our product releases. Yeah, it's at the 4-minute mark, 4-minute and 30-second mark. So I'm going to go ahead and forward it here. Cool. So when I clicked on that, it actually forwarded the video for everyone. So we've synchronously changed the video to the part where Chayton's talking about the product releases and everyone's seeing it at the same time. Thanks for watching this with me, y'all. So with Macrometa and Akamai Edge Workers and the Akamai CDN, we've created this immersive experience where people all over the globe can watch something together and chat on it in real time. And this is the power of building at the edge with you know, relative ease compared to legacy cloud, you're able to create these types of experiences. This is the future of building apps. All right, now let's jump into the code itself. I'm going to go ahead and open up the console and show you the code that makes this work. Let's take a look at the back end of this app. I've logged into our Playground. Playground is a platform that's free for anyone to sign up to. You get access to all Macrometa functionality so that you can try it out and build something for yourself. The underpinning of all of this is, of course, data. We have a number of different collections here, both document and graph edge. All of these collections are geo-distributed and have stateful data across all 11 locations around the globe. The 3 document collections here is the information about the movies. Assets are the movies themselves. And credits are information about relationships to the movies for actors and cast. And then genres is just genres. We have, comedy, all those types. Last thing we have here is document collection that creates an unique ID and a key to manage sessions. So this is how we allow users to drop into a specific URL and see the exact same video during the same time and have chat. Now, these graphs are creating relationships between the assets, credits, and genres. And they're very interesting. You can see here in this visual that we have all sorts of edges and nodes that are interrelated. This is how we grab information really quickly to present it in the front end, as well as to see what the most popular movie is based on different ratings. And it's also part of what powers the search functionality that allows us to see who's, the indoor statements for Dwayne Johnson is both in this movie as well as Ryan Reynolds, or both of them are in this movie. The other part of the search is to create a view. A view creates an index across any number of fields in any number of collections so that you can search across those and filter very, very quickly. So you can see here we've created indexes on 3 fields in assets and 1 field on credit. Now here's the really exciting piece to this application. Got a really simple query here. I'm going to show you in our Query Workers query editor. I can run it, return some results. And this is where the magic happens with the integration with Edge Workers. All you need to do is click this button, give it a name and a query worker name, and it's going to generate an Edge worker that distributes this query to all 4,000 plus Akamai POPs around the world. And you can see those here. We've generated 5 Edge workers based on Macrometa queries that power the whole back end of this app. Each of these is a API endpoint that creates, a RESTful API that you can use right after you click the button. Last piece here is we use streams to power our chat functionality. And, we have the same unique URL here that was in the collection that creates a session. And I can actually show some events coming through in real time. I'm going to go over here and refresh this to restart. Now let's just give that a pause. Yeah. Set my username. We automatically create a username that's just random, but we let you set it. Cool. If I go back here, yeah, you can see that, reset the username. We have the first chat coming through here. So this manages the communication between anyone that joins the watch party and starts chatting. Well, that's the app. Thank you so much for joining me to talk about this and to see how it's built. If you're interested in building one yourself, we have the code open sourced, so you can go to GitHub and grab it. The link is in the details. I hope that you enjoyed this, and I can't wait to see what you build with Macrometa and Akamai Edge Workers.